Hey guys, it's Hannah. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I eat in a week of school. So, let's get straight into it. Are you kidding me right now? Oh my god, they put sour cream on it. So first thing I had this week was a smoothie for breakfast. My mom just made me one with mango, banana, passion fruit, and then a little bit of oatmeal to fill me up throughout the day, and it was super good. Lunch was pretty boring. I just had some tomato pasta. I usually have this around once a week. It's basic, but it works. Show yours too, so we can both show that we're eating pasta. Fuck, sorry. And then finally for dinner on this day, my mom made some spinach pancakes, and we had that with like this potato mix. I don't even know how to explain this, but you guys can kind of see it's just a bunch of different vegetables. They look moldy, but I promise they're not. Tuesday's breakfast was also damn good. I ate some coconut yogurt and mixed that with some pomegranate seeds, blueberries, and granola, just to add a little bit of crunch. I didn't eat anything during snack this day either, so I jumped straight into lunch where I had a salad. I can't even begin to list the amount of things that were in this, but it was really good. I just had that with some balsamic vinegar and olive oil dressing and some falafel. Our school just kills the concept of salads. It's great. You guys can see. Yum. Once I got back home, I started getting a little bit hungry again, so just to hold me over until dinner, I had a nectarine and then ate some dry noodles. I don't even know how to explain the snack. If you're from Southeast Asia, you'll recognize it, but you can kind of see what I'm eating right there. And then the last thing that I ate on Tuesday was some pineapple rice and tofu for dinner. The tofu didn't really go with it, but we had to finish it because we didn't want it to expire, so we just kind of cooked that and I ate that on top of it. Moving on to Wednesday, I had some avocado toast with pomegranate and put it all on this dark bread. This is the best type of bread to have avocado on. If you ever find that, definitely recommend. Some teachers care when you eat in class, but my math teacher doesn't. So when I got hungry in math, I decided to eat the banana that I brought to school, and it was pretty good. You know, it's just a regular banana. And then for another snack, I decided to stop in the canteen while heading to my next class and just picked up a red bean bun. A lot of my friends don't like these, but I personally love them, and I think they're really good. I completely didn't have time to film my lunch this day because I had to head to a meeting super quickly, but I had another one of those salads that I had the day before, so you can just imagine that. For dinner, I had a Buddha bowl, which is basically just some type of like grain base with a bunch of different vegetables. You can totally mix it up and make what you decide you like, but I basically just fried some mushrooms, some more tofu. I had spinach, cauliflower, and then put some avocado on top. A couple months ago, my mom discovered this vegan cream cheese by the brand She's, I believe it is, and it's so good. I've been eating it a bunch ever since. I just had a bagel with that on top for breakfast. And then I ate two things during snack. I had this Dutch thing called papernoten. I think that's how you say it. It looks like dog food, but I promise you it's not. It's really good. And then I ate some curry puffs that I bought from my school. German is like think for me, like
oh my god,
German is just
I have a piece of onion stuck.
During lunch, I decided to have a wrap. I basically get all the vegetable ingredients like tomatoes, lettuce, onions, all that stuff with some barbecue sauce inside. Oh my god, this is about to be so good. And the reveal. Are you kidding me right now? Oh my god, they put sour cream on it. I had a performance in the evening, so me and my friend decided to order in some food, and we totally did not realize that it would have sour cream on it. It's okay. I kind of just picked it off and continued eating anyway. It was still good.
You just
Disgusting.
come up and then roll into this, and then you pop out. Then
hair.
it's gonna be like that 4 times. So
Are we gonna stay here? And final breakfast of this video is one that I actually had in the last video as well. I had some museli and then topped that off with some fruits. Once again.
Do such a karaoke, what is it called when they film these things, karaoke carve, right? Carpool karaoke. I just need you now.
Instead of having school lunch on this day, I walked out and got some food from across the street because they have a couple different restaurants, and I decided to get some Indian prata. I don't think I'm saying it right, but I love this stuff. If you're one of my friends, you know I'm obsessed with this. It's not even that amazing, but I personally really like it. On the way home from school, I got a little bit hungry, so I had some of this baby food, which I just happened to have in my bag. It was basically like an apple and banana sauce. Kind of weird, but it works. I was still hungry when I got home though, so I pulled out this blueberry flavored almond yogurt that I had at home and mixed that with some granola and just ate that while watching some videos of the Jonas Brothers. And for the final meal of this video, I had some veggie tacos. These were really good. My mom basically just made a filling, and then she laid out a couple things that we could put inside, like guac, salsa, and I just kind of mixed all of that. It looks kind of gross because of the lighting, but it was really good. And that is everything that I ate this week. And therefore, that's going to wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys found this helpful in giving you guys some meal ideas or just found it enjoyable to watch. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and let me know if you'd like me to do more of these. I did one of them in the past, and this is my second one, but I would be super happy to do a third. Also, if you'd like more food inspiration, make sure to follow my Instagram because I do tend to post pictures of my food sometimes. Yeah, I love you guys all to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!